This house was picked up for £650,000, and after the refurbishment and the value add, the record price on this road is £1.1 million, and we're going to try and achieve a little bit higher than that in the current market, purely based on the high quality design and build. Let me show you the layout. This is our standard template, and what we always do is we open up these houses from front to back, and the way that we do that is that we have a steel box frame in the midsection, which is around here. Behind you we've got a double reception room, then we've got some sliding doors on this side which help us increase the space, and lots of Victorian features. The colour schemes are amazing. We always work from up and work downwards, and eventually the house just squeezes together, and that's when we finish and we start bringing the final touches together. Let's go to the first floor. Behind you you've got a double bedroom, you've got a bathroom. How's this for a master bedroom? We've got a bed there. We would normally have wardrobes behind you, but what we've created, we've lost the bedroom, but what we've gained is this walk-in wardrobe, his and hers on either side. And we've got this fantastic bathroom behind us. The choice of tiles that we've gone for here is a nice cream, large tiles with the Victorian green as well. We're going to have a really nice bath that's overlooking that window. We've got a double basin here. In that corner we've got a shower with a nice recess, and then we've got a toilet which has got a really nice floating toilet as well. The choice of colour in here is amazing. We're going to have a really nice light fitting similar to the one in the next room, and we've got some really nice coving and this ceiling rose that gives it that Victorian touch. This is Dorin, and he's one of our top guys when it comes to painting, and the meticulous attention to detail that Dorin gives to all of his work is absolutely amazing. We've got the hallway here, we've got some really nice wood paneling here, we're going to have two lights here. We've got a really good bedroom behind and a bathroom, and then upstairs all of this is the value add. This is where we create value, extra square footage, and under the banner of Sharia Homes, this is where our investors and ourselves as a joint venture, this is how we make money. We've got a bedroom behind you, a bathroom behind you, and this is the rear facing double bedroom. Fitted wardrobes over here, and the colour, and we have carpets all the floors yet to decide. Let's go next door. On the right hand side we've got the large bedroom. Behind you we've got a bathroom, and we always have this nice skylight feature with a really nice LED touch around it, which gives it a lot of a wow factor, because the people that are going to be viewing this house have never seen that before, and that's what helps us get a record price. Another thing that helps us get a record price is normally developers would give this new loft bedroom with a bathroom to the parents and think it's happy days and they're going to do it, they're going to absolutely smash it, but that's not the case with us. Downstairs you've seen master bedroom, walk-in wardrobe, ensuite, and this is your child's bedroom. And as part of our high-end bespoke design and build, we also give the child a fitted wardrobe like we have done in the other rooms as well. And just imagine, this is actually your child's bathroom. The tile selection, the colour selection, we've got a nice FedEx window, and just come and have a look at this. Look at these tiles here. Friday update, the weekend begins for many of you out there, but for me, tomorrow is another day. Our teams will be cracking out various projects that we've got on the go, and we're going to make sure that we deliver for our investors, which is the most important thing under the banner of Sharia Homes. You've always got to deliver, give it 100%, be passionate about what you do, and once again, I'll always end with
Alhamdulillah, God give me everything.